22-inch coffee vending machine combined with drink and snack vending machine to build your unique coffee unmanned self-service store. Chips, biscuit, box beverages, canned milk, canned cola, canned Sprite, bottle drink. 22. Touch screen to select coffee, drink and snack. 3 levels for sugar content. Shopping cart function. Customized payment methods. Freshly ground extraction. Damp-proof design in the ingredient canisters. Visible coffee bean canister. Non-contact and safer. Spiral rotation shipping. Larger and wider pickup door. Convenient and fast shopping experience.